What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Folks TV. Welcome to number 100, episode 100. Man, we made it. That's a lot of film. It's a lot of editing. Holy cow, I can't believe it. And look at all of you. Our fans, our subscribers, our friends, our family. Amazing. Thank you so much for sticking around for 100 episodes, everybody. This is going to be a great episode today. We're going to look back on some highlights. We're going to answer some fan mail questions that we had. We're going to have a few pop-up surprise guests, come in and say hello. So it's going to be super great. And let's just get right into it. Let's just start with the first question right here. This question's from John Freeman via email. And he says, do we have any plans for any more Volkswagens? Any more cars in general that we're trying to buy? And the simple answer is, yeah, we're always looking for new cars, new projects, new things to work on, things to buy and sell and flip, and sometimes keep, Right now, I'm building a pretty cool, it's a 63 ragtop bug. I've had it for a little while. We're building it for the wife and the daughters now, I guess, with the other one on the way. But we're building it, it's in paint. All the body work's done. I have everything in boxes inside, so you guys will definitely get to see that. This is what it looks like now. Somewhere over here. Just some pictures of it with the progress. It was a wreck when I got it. Ex-show car, hit twice, fixed poorly, lots of Bondo, but body off restoration, took it down to bare metal, and it's getting all fixed up now, so that's excellent. You'll see it very soon. When it comes back from paint, it's beautiful. And then we'll show you how to do all the little restoration stuff on there. So, thanks John, great question.
Greetings, Old Volks TV. Congratulations on your 100th episode. Fred from BW Cowboy out here in West Ocean City, Maryland, wishing you guys all the best. From your how-to videos to footage from your guys' epic trips, you are crushing it. Congratulations on your 100th episode. Cheers to your next 100.
Alright, our next question is from Tom Carrick. Garrick, I think I got your name right. If not, let me know down in the comments. Terrible with names. But Tom wants to know, how did we get into Volkswagens in the first place? What brought me here to where it's taken over my entire life in every waking moment and some of my sleeping moments? It's another simple answer. When I was in high school, way back, 1995, dating myself here, that's a long time ago, but I had to, I wanted my own car, had to save up and buy my own first car, as a lot of kids did, and so I got a little part-time job and saved up enough cash, and this was pretty much all I could afford. At the time Volkswagens were super cheap. People just either didn't want them or didn't care, so I got myself a 67 Fastback for $1,500, running, driving, ready to go, decent shape, pretty straight. And I spent a couple years in high school restoring it. I got in a little kind of a fender bender, took it to a body shop, tried to get the hood replaced, and they ended up painting the whole car for me. Perfect, beautiful paint job. It's green and white paint job. I found a rack for it, and they said all I had to do was show, pass out their cards at shows, and I didn't have to pay for that paint job. And that was when I realized that you could get stuff for free if you just talk to people right. So that was that car. I love that car, but I wrecked it. And after that I bought my first bus, which was this 66 Westy SO42 pop top walkthrough, one of the holy grail buses. And after that, I was hooked on buses for life. And 100 cars later, here I am back with a pop top. Not a Westie this time, but pretty close. And I'll keep this one forever. This has got to be probably my favorite bus. So, short answer: high school, cheap cars, save your money. That's all I can get. Now you can't even afford one at all. So, there you go. Thanks, Tom, for the question. You rock, buddy.
Old Volks TV, a big congratulations to you.
Yes, indeed. 100 episodes. That's really awesome. Hey, Jake.
I can't even count that high, Pops.
Well, it's a lot. I know that much. But Gary here and Jake from VW Life, we just want to tell you guys, great job. We loved what you're doing out there for the VW community. Keep doing it. This is what it's all about. All of us just building it up because that's what we got to keep doing, man. This is our community. So congratulations to everybody and keep up the good work, man. We love the content and everything like that. It's wonderful.
It is. Congrats, Jason. We're proud of y'all.
Yes, sir.
All right, the next one comes from our buddy Axel over there at Straight Axel Dubs on YouTube. He wants to know, of all the cruises and the shows and the events and everything that we've been to, what's our favorite? What's my favorite one? And there is no answer for that one. I can't pick a favorite because everything is awesome. I guess if I had to pick a style of my favorite, I'd have to say my favorite events are the ones that last all weekend long, where you can hang out and with all the friends and you see everybody and everybody's having a good time. Fredericksburg, the classic, which is not around anymore. That show was phenomenal. 4 days of just hanging out with everybody, barbecuing, swapping parts, walking around, partying at night. Amazing. Those are the best times. The campouts, going like Mark's birthday is a great one. The spill out was super good. Dub Splash. It's hard to pick one. Can't pick one. All these trips we take, everyone is kind of better than the last one, but in some ways not as good. So, sorry, buddy, no answer for you there. They're all my favorite.
Hey, old Volks TV, this is Axel from Straight Axel Dubs. Congratulations on 100 episodes. Keep up the good work.
Next question is from our pal Jeffrey Bishop, way up in Arizona. And what he wants to know is it hard to learn new things? Is it risky to try new things? And can you ever mess something up so bad that you can't fix it? And that's a long question, but I think I can answer it. You should try to learn new things. Don't underestimate yourself. When I did Kiki's bus, it was a lot of work, and it ended up being way more work than what I thought it was going to be when we started. But you just take your time, you do a little bit of research, you ask people who've done it how the right way to do it is, or you ask your friends, and even if you get to a point where you think you're messing it up, you're not quite getting it right, knowing when to stop is a skill just as much as knowing how to proceed is a skill. So if you think you're really making it bad, stop, take a break, relax a bit. And as far as messing it up beyond being able to fix, it's only metal, It may cost you a little more money in the long run, but you can get what you need to fix it. You can get some help from someone who's maybe got a little more experience than you. So I don't think you can mess it up beyond repair. Maybe just for your skill level, but it's definitely worth giving it a try. So that was an excellent group of questions, Jeffrey. Thanks, buddy. Love you, buddy.
Old Volks TV has reached 100 episodes. Congratulations, guys. Here's to 100 more from good old Mike.
Next question is from Janice Thompson. Janice Thompson, again via the email. She wants to know, what do I enjoy most about the hobby? Another fantastic question, by the way. I guess it would have to be the opportunities we get, just from doing this. Things that, I guess they've always been there, but you don't really notice them until you're trying to make a video, or you're trying to, get an event out or get something out for everybody to see who might not even know that it's happening, or might not even be aware of it. One great example of it was we went camping at the Circuit of the Americas. Me and Gary and Matt and everybody, the bus gang that we run around with. We went camping there just for the vintage races, and it happened to be the Formula V guys were there, and we met the Baron Racing team, and I ended up spending like a whole day with them, hanging out in their pits, drinking their Gatorade, eating their barbecue, and jumping on their golf cart and running down to the start of the race, and they got me into all these crazy places. Stuff like that's amazing. Or the drag races that we did up there with the Crash Dummy guys. Going to the show is one thing, going to the drag races is another thing, but getting in the middle between the lanes and watching those cars launch hard, never would have thought of doing that without having the camera. So the opportunities that we're afforded from, doing this channel, they let you meet these interesting people and get into these fantastic situations where it just makes everything a lot more fun for me and for Sean and for everybody, really. So, great question. Thank you.
Hey Jason, this is Bill, aka Double O Dude, here on the Old German Steel YouTube channel. And man, I want to congratulate you on your 100th episode with Old Volks TV. That's a big milestone. I've enjoyed all the content that you've created, and I'm looking forward to what you have to share with us in the future. Take care of yourself, and go work on that old Volkswagen.
Alright, we got time for one more question, and it comes from Xavier Parra. Roll those R's. He wants to know, what is the craziest thing we've ever done for a video? And without even thinking about it, hands down, it's got to be working on the bus in the middle of a blizzard. We don't get snow in Texas at all, ever. Like once every 10 years we get some tiny little bit of snow. This year, for some reason, we got like 4 inches to 6 inches in a day. It's crazy. So what better time to go work on the bus, right? Went out there and replaced the screens. The kid came out, she was throwing snowballs at me. But because she's never really been in the snow, she didn't know how to make a snowball. So she's like packing them super tight, throwing them at me, and they're bouncing off. She had fun, I had fun. We got the job done. Did the whole thing in shorts on a dare. Freezing cold at the end of it, but it was good. It made a good video. So at the end of the day, it's crazy, but it's fun too. So thanks, Xavier.
It's snowing in Texas.
Hi, old Volks TV. This is Vic Whitehouse from here in the UK. Rattling Dubs Talk Show on vdubradio.com and also Pedals to the Metal Rock Show as well. I want to say a massive congratulations to everyone at Old Volks TV for all of the awesome work that you've put in, particularly Jason for putting together all the awesome video content and providing us with absolutely outstanding entertainment. Some of the trips that you've been on and stuff is absolutely phenomenal to see. We are super proud to be part of that extended VW community, and we wish you all the very best for years to come. And it's great to see the channel continuing to grow and all of the awesome content that you've been producing. So thanks so much for keeping us entertained, and here's to many more.
Alright, that's going to do it for episode 100. Thank you for everybody that's subscribed and liked our page and our shows and our channel and our videos over these past 100. You know, really appreciate it. Without you guys, it just wouldn't be as much fun. We only had a chance to answer a few questions on the video, but if you sent in a question and you didn't see it on the video, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. We'll answer any questions we see down there. Give us a like, hit that subscribe button. Grab a t-shirt, sweatshirt from the link down below. Visit our friends, get a Volks America magazine, get a Volks Mania magazine. All of that great stuff. Check us out on the socials, the Facebooks, the Instagrams. And thanks for watching.